we're having this family cooking show, Daddy's Recipe. The hope is so that we can have daddies and their kids creating activities in the kitchen, building bonds, creating memories, and growing the next generation.
Wow, this your spoon is huge. I think that's enough. That was a huge spoon. Seriously. Can you imagine if that's how you make your.
Welcome to your first choice family cooking show. This is season 1, and we're going to be focused on Daddy's Recipe for the first half of the season. Okay. So welcome Dolapo and Daniela to the kitchen. I'm so excited, guys. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you. So please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Dolapo, and I work in finance. Let's see, I'm natively from Nigeria, but
nice.
Here in Canada. And,
good, that's good.
And this little angel here is my daughter. I'll let her introduce herself.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Daniela, and I like Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm also natively from Nigeria.
Awesome. I love it when I absolutely love it when Nigerian children, especially when they are born here or not, freely accept that they're Nigerian.
Yeah, we try to make sure that they know where they came from. You have to know the
roots. It's very important. So guys, thank you so much. So what are you going to be cooking today?
What are we making today?
Meat pie.
Meat pie. Okay, I'm excited. I love meat pie. So let's get right to the kitchen and start cooking.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to start by running through our ingredients, just to make sure we have everything. And my little helper here, Daniela, is going to help us confirm that we have all the ingredients. So first, we need a mixing bowl. Mixing bowl is just down here, here. Let's use the biggest one, not that one. Yes, and that's our mixing bowl. We got that. Put it down there. We need flour next. Flour. There you go. That's the flour. Yep. Awesome. So after the flour, we need butter. I think it's right there. Yep. We need butter. There we go. And then we need baking powder. It's right there. Yep. And then we need salt. I see the salt. Salt is over here. Yes, we have salt over here.
That is so fun.
And we need the sugar also, just a little bit of sugar. Yeah, that's sugar. Awesome. Let's put it down. And what else do we need? We need water. And yes, we have water here already. We have water here. So let's start with that for now. I think okay, let's run through everything. Do we have carrots? Yes, we do. Do we have potatoes?
Yes.
Do we have, what else do we need? Do we have spices?
Yes.
Yes, we have all our spices. Yeah, I think that's everything we need. Yeah. Okay, so let's start. So we can start. Mix our flour.
I tell you.
It's going to be a messy kitchen.
All about cooking is to get done.
Okay, that's 1 cup. We have 2 more to go. Or maybe we'll do 2 cups. Let's see.
Yeah, now we just need 2 cups.
Okay, 2 cups is fine. Let's do 2 cups.
That was way too much.
Okay, you can put that back. Put that back. Then we're gonna put some baking powder in. Let's use this spoon. You wanna give us 2 spoons of baking powder in that? Wow, this your spoon is huge. I think that's enough. That was a huge spoon. spoon.
Oh, Daniela in the kitchen.
The next thing now is to make everything we need for the inside, right? And that dough, that mix is mostly just minced meats, potatoes, and carrots. Okay? So we're going to start first of all with our fry pan. It goes here. Put it on. And yep, that's. Oh. Daniela, can you help me with a spoon of cooking oil? So you want to get a spoon? Yeah. And let's put a spoon. So you want to take this and take a spoon and put it in there. Just a spoon is fine. We just need that for the minced meat. Okay. And we're just gonna let that run around a bit. Yep. And then we're just gonna put this in. So now we need just about a portion of this. We've got about one major carrot there, one potato. So let's just take about half of this. I want it broken down in pits though. So I'm gonna go in here. Let's get a spoon for turning this around. You can get one over there. Let's see. No, that one.
That's a scooping spoon.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Now.
What do? You push it down?
Yeah, we don't want it to burn, do we? Or we want it to fry. You see it?
I am.
You're falling off.
I am beef.
Just move closer. Water from the minced meat is out. The oil is out.
Can I eat it yet?
No, you can't eat it yet. Okay? Yes. Okay, so what we need to do next is let's add our carrots and our potatoes. And then we're gonna spice it and put some water.
After that, can I eat it?
Yes, then you can eat some of it. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's just put a little bit of water. Okay, so can you help us with the carrots? The carrots go in. Pour it in. Yes. And then the potatoes go in. Do you know how to get potatoes? Careful. Careful, careful. See?
Some poured on the floor.
Yes. So now you're going to pick them up and throw them in the dustbin. That's why we make too much of a mess in the kitchen when we cook. Okay, so let's put some spice. So how do we make this sweet?
Ginger, curry, pepper.
Let's start with the seasoning. That one, yes. That's the Knorr seasoning. Yes.
It smells good in here already.
Right?
Even
The
without the
meat
seasoning.
is always lovely.
So
That's
good.
why meat pie is such a
I'm
delicacy. I just like how the minced meat adds a lot of flavor. And then we have more spoons anyway. So yeah, we don't need to stick all spoon. You want to get one more small spoon there? Yeah. Thank you so much. Never hold a spoon by the top. Okay, see what I'm doing. You want to see what I'm doing here? I'm going to put just about a spoon, maybe not too much.
Because we can always put a bit.
We can put a bit more later if we feel it's not sweet enough. That's it. And then we need the salt. Just a little bit of salt. The salt is back here. Back there. Yeah. Oh yeah, we could use this anyway. So just a little bit. We don't want too much salt, okay? The minced meat sort of already has a flavor of its own, so.
I'm already hungry.
You're already what?
Hungry?
Okay, just wait for it to cook, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna get the oven ready.
No, exactly. So we need to get the oven ready.
Where's the oven?
Okay, the oven is gonna be after we're done with this section. Let's finish. You don't need to keep turning around like a puppy chasing his tail. Okay? Do we have a cover for this pot? Let's get a cover for this pot. It's right there. Could you help me with that? So, cover it. Yes. And our spices are cooking. Now it's time to do the fun parts. You know what the fun part is? Let's clear this up a bit.
Where we make the dough.
Yes. when we make the dough into the shape we want. Now, so that we have...
How we make it into a dinosaur?
No, we cannot make it into a dinosaur. Nobody buys a dinosaur-shaped meat pie. Except maybe Daniela.
Daniela's kitchen with the
Dinosaur meat
pie.
pies. Dinosaur-shaped meat pies. Like,
That could sell.
who uses...
I'm sure my daughter will buy it.
I'm sure kids will like that, yeah. A
And
dinosaur
just make
shaped
it as unicorn
meat
too.
pie. Exactly, unicorn, right?
shape.
I think we just went past the unicorn phase. There was a time when we were at the unicorn phase.
Oh, we're there right now.
Oh, you're in unicorn phase right now. We're in the Minecraft Roblox phase right now. So let's put some flour on our board. That's where we're going to mix our dough. And your job is to make sure the flour goes round. Just mix it around on the table. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take it out. That should be enough. That should be enough.
Stop putting it on my hands.
Yeah, okay, I'm not putting it on your face.
Oh, yeah.
No, don't put it on your face. Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's get our dough.
I think I put some on my face.
You did already?
Yes.
Oh no. You see our dough? What do you
Yeah.
think? Was it the same size? It has reason.
I don't know.
It has reason. You know? Okay, so now we have a nice board, but this dough still looks a bit lumpy and stuff. So let's get more flour. Where's the flour again? We got the flour over there. Let's put some flour on this dough. Just makes it a lot easier to knead. And on the surface as well. Okay, how about we get just a little more flour? Yeah, you can do it this time. Just a tiny bit of flour.
Because I have the tiny hands.
Yes, you have the tiny
Where
hands.
do I put it?
Just scatter it on top.
It's mostly in the middle, but...
Yeah.
We'll work with that.
We'll just
Oh
use
my
it like
God.
that, right?
If you're over here, you can smell it, and then it's like
smells
yummy.
so
Yummy
good.
already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get water because I can sense that I'm running out of water here. What do we need to do next, sweetie?
We need to
cut
eat
this
it.
dough. No, we need to cut this dough. We don't need all this dough. Okay, so we have this.
It smells so
No,
yummy
we need this
already.
Here.
It smells so yummy already.
It smells so yummy already, right? Good. So let's stick that
I'm
up.
glad I'm getting one.
Exactly.
I'm
right?
hungry.
You are gonna get one. Okay, so we got all this. Let's put this aside.
No, let's roll it still.
No, let's roll this one. Let's roll all our proper doughs first.
So what do I do? How did you do it?
So just do it gently. Gradually. Put some flour on the, yeah. Is this sticking to it?
Nope.
It's not sticking to it? Okay.
Oh, you still want...
I'm just gonna wash this. Ooh. I don't want our stuff to burn.
Because it's so yummy, I don't want it to burn.
Exactly.
Like,
Okay,
I want to
so
eat it right
I
now.
can sense that my potatoes are almost done, but they're not fully done yet, so just a little more water. This is Daddy's recipe. Serious
Daddy's
serious eyeballing right going on right here. Okay, so if it's too soggy, I'm sorry. It's Daddy.
It's Daddy's recipe.
Yes.
That's what we
So,
get.
Let's keep going there. Okay. So,
I'm used
I think we have enough shape, but I don't want it to be too flat, so be careful, okay? Let's cut it out. There it is. Cut from the thicker part. Yeah.
Like, there's enough to make an
More.
extra
Yeah,
one.
I think we can make more. So you want to pick that up? Put it here. Careful. Gradually. Make sure it stays round. Put it here. Not on the other one. Just put it. Yeah. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Let's pick that up. We may actually have enough to make more, you know?
Yeah.
So,
One for everyone.
exactly.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 9. Oh, dang it. This is gonna be so much. Just like this.
Just like that.
It's not that hard.
It's not that hard, right? There's everywhere. Okay, next one. Next one. No, still dip it in. Dip it in. Now we need stuff on the inside, which is ready. Want to taste it? Hold on. Maybe not.
She's ready.
Maybe
She's like, my mouth is wide open.
Exactly.
It's gonna be hot.
And then we're gonna take this and close it. And then you're gonna use the fork. So use the fork and press the sides, just like a shape, meat pie shape. You know how we do it? Good. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that.
And it also
like
makes
that.
it stick together.
Exactly. And then we do the next one. And then you can do that also.
Yeah, and then you can continue with the next one. Oh my god, I made the things too big.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, then be careful.
Want this big one?
And so viewers, we've come to the part where we go into the oven. This has to stay at 350 degrees for 20 minutes or 25 minutes. But we're going to keep checking again, eyeballing it because this is Daddy's recipe.
Hello, my name is Kumbi Olalire. I am the CEO and founder of Ahinke's Kitchen, now the executive producer of Ahinke's Family Cooking Show. I started Ahinke's Kitchen with the mind to nurture harmonies in homes and to create oneness within home. And for the past 3 years, we have been focused on providing fresh and delicious ethnic-centric delicacies, Nigerian cuisine to be specific, to families in order for them to have the time to spend with their family, in order to make life easier for moms, in order to make it easy to bond and to create memories for busy families, most especially. So now, we're having this family cooking show that we're going to be starting the first season with Daddy's Recipe. The hope is so that we can have daddies and their kids creating activities in the kitchen, building bonds, creating memories, and growing the next generation.
Yes! Finally. Good. So we can finally taste it. High five.
Smells so delicious.
Okay, you're going to be our judge.
I
You're
can't
going to
wait.
tell us. You're going to tell us
What I think.
if you cooked a
No,
good one or
Daniela is
not.
taking the big one. So which
Okay.
one is Daniela's one?
This big one.
This is a big one.
Okay,
Okay,
so-
good. I'm gonna go with this guy then.
The cute one.
The
The
cute
cute
little.
one. Yeah, the cute little meat pie. Oh my god. They are so thick.
But it's so soft too. Like it's
It's
easy
soft?
to cut.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
So
nice,
easy
nice.
to cut.
Okay.
Okay, so
This is gonna be. You see the
the
carrots.
taste tester.
Taste test. Okay. This is the part in MasterChef where they go.
We have to be quiet and take my time
wait.
to
I'm
bite.
gonna watch. I'm gonna watch. Don't hide. Don't hide. Don't hide.
Oh my god, I don't know. I'm just
No, watch
gonna
out.
sit here.
She's checking. She's checking.
I'm just gonna
She's
sit
checking.
here.
She's checking. Oh no. Bro. Oh
Making me nervous.
no. Okay, so.
It's actually really good.
Yay!
Like it's soft. Like
Okay.
the dough is thick, but it's soft,
Okay.
so it's chewable.
It's chewable. Nice. And.
And it's sweet, like it's delicious. Like the dough is yummy. Like I can actually eat.
You do.
I am just learned. I can actually eat your dough without even
Are you
without the
serious?
feeling. Yeah,
Okay, so we can have
it's
our
really
own
good.
too
Yes,
now.
you guys can have
Okay,
your own.
so we
Thank
can have.
you.
Alright.
So we've come to the end of the show. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you the same time next week. Thank you so much for joining your first choice family reality show. Have a wonderful day. Bye.